I lost my shifter on the highway 3 days ago. I wanted to come off the highway to go to the university, and I wanted to put it in 4th gear from 5th gear. I'm like, what? I don't feel anything, and then I saw that I lost my shifter, unfortunately. So what is the difficult part was, because I was in 5th gear, I had to keep speed. I could not change my gears anymore. Luckily I was going off the highway, but after that you have a traffic light. Luckily it was green, and a little bit further 2 more traffic lights, and there were a lot of cars. I was like, if I stop now, well, the bike won't pull up anymore. So I took some bicycle lane and parked at the university, and then I could officially look and yeah, I lost the shifter. So I texted a friend of mine.
You serious?
He was like, oh yeah, I have a spare for you, I will send it in the mail.
3 days later.
So we got it today, so we can drive back home again. And what happened is that I bought new boots, and I changed the shifter a little bit upwards. And I think I timed it correctly, but maybe I did not. But I did not put any Loctite on there, because I don't think you need to put Loctite on there. But for now I did put Loctite on there, because I don't want to lose my shifter again. Yeah, so I have a new shifter in the mail, because this one was bent and my friend bent it back, so I could at least get home safely.